Today's tutorial will show you how to log in to your CLAMS account on the CLAMS desktop website. If you're starting on the Classic Catalog search page, which is this page, you will go to the top menu, the third option, My Account. You click on My Account and it brings you to the login page. Here you're going to enter your library card number and your PIN. If you've never logged in to the CLAMS desktop website, you do not have a username yet. You can only create a username once you have logged in for the first time. So here, under library card number or username, you will enter your library card with no spaces between the numbers. The library card number is located on the back of your physical library card, and it will look like this. Here you can see the library card number and barcode. You can see that there are spaces between some of the numbers. Please disregard those and do not include those when you are logging into your account for the first time. Enter your library card number here. And then when you go to enter your PIN is 4 or more case-sensitive letters or numbers that you created when you first signed up for your library card. If you do not know your PIN, you must get in touch with your home library. Enter your PIN here and then hit Submit. You are now logged in into your record where you can see your personal information, your searches, your reading history, your requests, and any items that you might have checked out. From here, you can also perform a new search and request materials. When you are done, you want to select Log Out in either option. If you're starting from the CLAMS Encore search page, you're going to select the Login option here on the right-hand side. You get your login page where you're going to type in your library card number with no spaces between the numbers. And then you will enter your PIN and hit Submit. Once you have logged in, you can click on My Account here on the right-hand side. Here you can see your personal information. And if you choose to create a username, you can hit Edit Account, where you will enter a username here and hit Submit. And from this point forward, you will no longer need to enter your library barcode when logging in. You can enter your username. If you have any questions, please contact your local library. Thank you.